I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from 3UK to Lebara, follow these straightforward steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your number is eligible for transfer. You should not be in a contract or have any outstanding payments with 3UK. Step 2. Request your PAC code. Contact 3UK to request your porting authorization code PAC. You can do this via their customer service or through their app. The PAC code is usually valid for 30 days. Step 3. Sign up with Lebara. Once you have your PAC code, go to the Lebara website or a local store to sign up for a new plan. Provide your PAC code during the sign-up process to initiate the number transfer. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After submitting your PAC code, the transfer process usually takes up to 1 working day. Keep your old SIM in your phone until the transfer is complete to avoid any disruption. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once your number is active on Lebara, you will receive a confirmation message. Check that your services are working correctly, including calls and texts. If there are issues, contact the Lebara customer support. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps will help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new plan.